Hey guys and gals, Mr. Know-It-All here, and I don't know if you have a Canon safe or a safe at all, but this is for all of you that deal with this right here. You punch in the code and it will not open. And you do it over and over again. Alright, to get it to open, you have to take the handle and push down on it as far down as it'll go this way, clockwise. Punch in the code. Julio, tell everybody where all the tools are located.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción del video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio, Cesar Chavez, Rodriguez, Jorge, Johnson, Thompson. And it'll open right up. All right, to get to the lock mechanism, you have to lift up on this here and pull the bottom out, and it comes right out of there. Here's why it won't open unless you turn the bolt fully clockwise. This puts pressure on the actuator, allowing the actuator to not release even though you punched in the right combination. So watch when I push the bolts back. With all this weight up here pushing down, that's where it rests. There's nothing you can do about that. Simple fix, you just have to move it to the right. So that's all you have to do. Push the lever all the way that way. Boom. Your safe is now fixed. Mr. Know-It-All out!